Recruiters only spend 6 seconds reviewing your resume for the first time, and if you don't hook their attention right away, you risk being thrown into the rejection pile. That's why the resume summary or profile section is so important. Hey there, Resume Leslie here, founder of ResumeLeslie.com, and I'm going to share with you the 3 components of an effective resume summary section that I've learned over 6 years as a professional resume writer and more than 600 happy resume clients. An effective resume summary section is made up of 3 key components. The first component is the branding or targeting statement, which will look a little bit different for everyone, but it's always what you want to start off your profile or summary section with. This statement is intended to address the types of jobs that you're pursuing. If these jobs are similar to what you've been doing, then it's truly a branding statement because you're establishing your brand and you're letting the reader know right away what you've been doing and the types of jobs that you'll be pursuing. If you are pursuing jobs that are a little bit different, if you're going through a career shift or if you're a new grad coming into a field, this is more of a targeting statement where you're letting the reader know what you're targeting, but you're not necessarily saying, hey, I am this or I have been doing this. Often for targeting statements, I will actually use the word targeting somewhere in here to denote that it's a targeting statement as opposed to a branding statement. Either way, you want to make sure that this really addresses the types of jobs that you'll be pursuing. Sometimes with this statement, you'll only have one line, whereas other times you'll have sort of a sub-statement underneath that further clarifies or shows areas of specialty or concentration. The second component of an effective profile section is the profile paragraph. This paragraph really is supposed to serve as a snapshot of who you are as a professional and give the big picture of the value that you bring to the table. In this section, you want to keep it as concise as possible, no more than 4 or 5 lines on the page, and you want to stick to high-level content. You don't want to get into the deep nitty-gritty details of your individual jobs. You really want to stick with the high-level, big picture summary of what value you can bring to a potential employer. The first sentence in the profile paragraph should indicate the number of years experience you have. This has become a trend because recruiters really prefer to see that right away without having to work too hard, and you want to try and make their jobs as easy as possible. For the rest of the sentences in this section, you want to give examples of things you're known for, things you have a reputation for, a proven track record of success. Again, you're thinking of the big picture value of what you have to bring to the table. The third component of your profile or summary section is going to be the skills. These skills should be highly relevant and targeted for the types of positions that you're pursuing. You can utilize job descriptions to do some research to figure out what are the most common skills that are being asked for, and you want to make sure that the most common, most important, most relevant skills show up in this section of your profile. And as a pro tip, you want to make sure to keep that going throughout the rest of your resume. Don't just stop with having those skills in the top section. Make sure you reiterate those skills and show how you got them throughout the rest of the resume. If you want more resume-related goodness, I've included a link in the description for this video where you can download my powerful, free 5-step resume action plan that will transform your resume into an interview-getting machine. Don't miss out on the resume action plan, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can stay caught up on crucial career success strategies, tips, and tutorials. Remember, you can do this, and I'm here to help.